Hello, I just received a package from Zero Water. I got 6 water filters. This is my unboxing video. Why do you need water filters, you may ask? Well, there is chlorine, fluoride, things in the tap water. Also here in Finland. I bet it's much worse in the States and other places, but even here in Finland the tap water is not that good. So we should filter our water even here. So this is the package. I'm not a pro in this, as you can see. I'm a musician. More or less. Okay, so here's one filter. There's 6 in this box. So, like this. And after this, I only have to put it here. Okay. That's it for my unboxing video. It was pretty fast. I have done it so many times. I go through a box of 6 filters, maybe every 3rd month, I think. But Zero Water, a great product. Let me show you one other thing when I have you here. It's a TDS meter. It comes with the Zero Water. Let's try this out. Okay, so here we have normal tap water. So, we take a clean glass, like this, clean glass, and we put some tap water in it. Clean water! Yay! On the TDS meter it shows 0.72. Oh, 0.9. Like this. 0.9. On the Zero Water instructions on the package, they tell you that you should change the filter if it goes above 0.06 and the tap water is 0.9. Let's try it out. It takes a while for the water to get through, but it will happen pretty soon. Maybe 5 minutes. I can just play you a song while you wait. Unboxing video. Hi. Okay, whatever. I just check the tuning really fast. Then she came across the lonely old fool. Yeah, I guess she noticed him drool. And suddenly being free was just an excuse to get away from me. Away from me. Checking the battery. I have battery, maybe enough, I'm sorry about this. And while you wait, this is a Bjerton from Sweden. It's made in 1964. I traded it against a new Ibanez that a woman bought to me in Amsterdam back in 2011. And this is a great guitar. Just whoa. Okay, so the second verse. But that's alright with me. I got plenty of other things to say. People to me, they'll laugh ahead of me. They are just wasting their lives away. 'Cause they are the hippies of today. No purpose, no direction, no aim, no destination. No purpose, no direction, no aim, no destination. Just look at you. selfish people talking all day with nothing to say. You think you're so deep when all you do is putting me to sleep. Yeah, she came across a lonely old fool. Yeah, I guess she noticed him drool. And suddenly being free was just an excuse to get away from me. Away from me. Okay, let's see if the water has gone through. So, let's try your memory. What was the TDS meter showing for the tap water? Do you remember? Not the average video you see on YouTube, I guess, and I don't care. Okay, let's see. So, tap water, like so. And we have TDS meter 0.92. Okay. Not that great, huh? Okay, so we take a clean glass, and now the water is finally filtered. Let's see. Let's check the power of zero water filter. So, here we go. And it's a win. It's 0.00. So, my review of zero water, it's 5 out of 5 stars. I can highly recommend their products. Okay, cheers. That hit the spot. Oh. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.